probably some home walks, talks to people, and I didn't see that as a very important department. And as I grew, as I started to really see what they do, I started to realize that it's such an important part of what any organization does, right? And like you rightly said, that when you start to build a company, when you want to actually get some profitability, HR comes in the picture, because how many people are those people going to be skilled enough? Where will they fit in? How will I develop them? How can we get the maximum out of them? What are going to be their goals, aspirations? How can we actually challenge them? Get the best out of every single department? How can we make people feel good working in an organization? All of that is managed by HR, right? So it becomes a very, very important and critical function.
My name is Shamshi and I'm a junior core committee member of Hriday. So our event is Anveshan, and today we are having Garuda, which is an eminent speaker talk for the same event. So Hriday is one of the oldest clubs in Goa Institute of Management. It's about 23 years old, and Anveshan, this is our flagship event which has been occurring for the last 11 years. So as an HR member, as a club of an HR group, we feel that it's very important for future managers to know the importance of the subject, and that is why to have quizzes, competitions, providing HR simulations, to bring industry experts and interact with students. We feel it's extremely important for the students to know the industry perspective, and hence we celebrate our festival Anveshan 2023. This year it's that.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.